Sturdy construction. The 17 inches set of 4 white floating bookshelves for kids can be staggered on the same wall or used in different rooms for an affordable and versatile solution to organizing more at once. Chic white shelves bring organization, designer style and decor to cluttered playrooms or bedrooms. Lifetime satisfaction. With the purchase of these wall-mount picture ledges, you know you're getting a high-quality product. It is made of MDF wood, built to last you a lifetime with satisfaction and style. Practical solution for kids' room organizer. Perfect for collectors. If your child loves collecting and has a vast variety of figurines, bobble heads, action figures, and many more. These floating nursery bookshelves are perfect for displaying just about anything in your kids' or nursery room. Get more for your buck. By making your purchase today, you get 4 solid kids' room floating wall shelves for a reasonable cost. Spend your budget wisely because you can decorate every room in your home with these shelves. The slender, floating design also looks great in your home office or den. Create a reading corner. With your child's favorite books always on display, you will encourage your child to read, prepare your kid for school and motivate your child to be a productive student with these book ledges. Top reviews from the United States. Great little shelves for the little one. These are great. Look amazing in the nursery. Super easy to install. I am not a big fan of the plastic wall anchors that usually come with the mounting hardware for shelves, so was never planning on using those. Do yourself a favor and get some metal self-drilling wall anchors to secure these shelves to drywall if you do not have a stud available where you want to mount these. If you do so, you will love how these end up looking and feel very secure with it holding up multiple books.